BJP Minister of Meghalaya A.L. Hek has rebuffed accusations levelled against the National People's Party for allegedly sabotaging BJP's electoral chances in the state. Hek clarified that he has not witnessed any wrongdoing by the NPP towards the BJP as claimed. It may be mentioned that earlier, the Vice President of the BJP state chapter, Bernard N. Marak, had accused the NPP legislator from Mahendraganj Assembly constituency, Sanjay A. Sangma, of insulting BJP supporters in Meghalaya by asserting NPP's dominance and coercing BJP to abstain from fielding candidates in the Lok Sabha elections. Marak demanded an apology from Sangma and brought the issue to the attention of other BJP leaders in the state. Reacting to Marak's allegations, A.L. Hek downplayed the incident, characterizing it as the opinion of a lone individual and absolving the NPP of any culpability. He stressed that the decision to refrain from contesting certain parliamentary seats in Meghalaya was made autonomously by the top echelons of the BJP leadership. Hek also confirmed that he had discussed the matter with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Furthermore, A.L. Hek urged upon all BJP members to refrain from instigation and focus on the overarching objective of securing more than 400 seats for the National Democratic Alliance in the ongoing elections. He reiterated the collective ambition for both the BJP and its NDA partners to clinch a substantial victory by securing the targeted number of seats.
See, it is talking by one individual. We cannot blame the NPP. This is talk by one individual.
But will you ask the Chief Minister, because Chief Minister was very much present in the rally when Sanjay Sangma said this, will you ask the Chief Minister or write a letter to the Chief Minister?
Already written from the state unit, already informed from the state unit, the district level also, they've already been taken up this issue with the Honorable National President of the NPP.
So we understand the Garo leaders, they are asking Sanjay Sharma to tender an apology.
No, this is not only the Garo Hill sections. The state president and the state unit also have taken up this.
So you think he should tender an apology?
So this is already given the letter. So that is the already written the letter. Let's see the response now. What is saying switch off BJP, I mean it is switch off over BJP. BJP is a party which is ruling in the whole country. How you just one person telling the switch off the BJP, can you believe that? Either you can believe or what, being from the media fraternity, cannot believe, no. So how we can believe this?
But
see, the meeting which was held with the presence of the Honorable National President of NPP, the candidates of NPP, and nobody among the hundreds of Karyakatas have raised that kind of unhappiness. Nobody. Then how you can say that there's unhappy?
But what is the reason then party leaders like Vipul Marak and all, they resign?
In political party, you see in all the political parties in India, in Meghalaya, so many Ayaram, Gairam is take place only during the election.
You are in the Congress party, you also joined BJP.
See, I'm telling you, no, in politics, no, before election you will see so many Ayaram, Gairam. So we should not be